Tropical storm watch has been issued for the Florida Panhandle as Tropical Depression 19 enters the Gulf. Tropical Depression 19 is currently crossing South Florida. The system will traverse the eastern Gulf of Mexico this weekend. Heavy rainfall is the next big threat for this system as it goes from Florida to Louisiana. Tropical Depression 19 is expected to become a hurricane before making landfall. Tropical Depression 19 is moving into the southeastern areas of the Gulf of Mexico and will bring heavy rainfall and gusty winds to Florida and the Gulf Coast throughout the weekend and into next week. A tropical storm watch has been issued for the Florida Panhandle from the Ochlockonai River to the Okaloosa-Walton County line, including Apalachicola and Panama City. Tropical storm force winds are possible in Apalachicola, Panama City this Sunday night. It has been producing scattered showers and thunderstorms over southern Florida, with bands of rain expected through the day. Matacom Key in the Middle Florida Keys has received more than 5 inches of rain since early Saturday morning. These bands of rain are bringing gusty conditions to South Florida as well. Wind gusts of 40 to 50 miles per hour have been recorded from Boca Raton to Miami Beach on Saturday morning. There exists slow organization, and further organization is likely today as Tropical Depression 19 begins to move away from southern Florida, but bands of rain will continue to swirl in across the state throughout the weekend. A flood watch is in effect for Florida's west coast and South Florida, where the system is expected to bring heavy rains and could cause flooding through the weekend as well. Rip currents are also likely along both the west and east coast of Florida into Saturday. A few tornadoes or waterspouts are also possible this afternoon and in the evening across the Florida Keys, in the Everglades, and in southwest Florida. From there, the system is expected to move northwestward toward the northern Gulf Coast, likely as a tropical storm or as a low-end hurricane. When Tropical Depression 19 becomes a tropical storm, it would be named Sally. Sally would be the earliest named S-storm on record if it formed before October 2. The system will arrive on the northern Gulf Coast in the first half of next week as a high-end tropical storm or low-end hurricane. But exactly when and where this system change will occur is quite uncertain. If tropical storm conditions arise in any of those areas listed, the necessary updates and warnings or watches may be given. Also, it should be noted that if Tropical Depression 19 rides the right or northern side of the cone of uncertainty, it could arrive in western Florida as soon as Sunday evening. If it chooses to ride the left or the southern side of the cone of uncertainty, it may arrive in southwestern Louisiana on Wednesday or early Thursday. In either case, this system is expected to slowly inch towards the coast beginning on Sunday and will spread rainfall, high surf, and gusty winds to the shore well before making landfall. Some storm surge conditions are also possible in from Mississippi to far western Florida. A second disturbance in the forecast is producing limited thunderstorms south of the northern Gulf Coast. It has a low chance of development but will bring rain and gusty winds to the northern and western Gulf of Mexico through the weekend and to South Texas and northern Mexico by early next week. Most of Florida will see more than an inch of rainfall, but parts of South Florida could see totals higher than 6 inches. The relatively slow motion of whatever Tropical Depression 19 is when it gets to the northern Gulf of Mexico, could lead to high rainfall totals. Tropical Depression 19 could locally drop up to 18 inches of rain along the immediate Gulf Coast near and east of the point of making landfall. Most of Florida, southern Alabama, southern Mississippi, and southern Louisiana should expect up to 1 to 3 inches of rainfall through to Wednesday. The northwestern Bahamas can expect 1 to 4 inches of rainfall through to Saturday. Southwestern Louisiana, which was hit by Hurricane Laura, may get up to 1 inch of rainfall depending on the track of this system. Parts of South Texas and northern Mexico may receive up to 2 inches of rain. As we continue to navigate through the peak of the hurricane season, we encourage you to be safe and put the necessary hurricane plans in place. Ensure that you have candles, matches, tin food, and also ensure that you pack away all your important documents in plastic containers. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and please remain safe out there.